Jump ball. First possession. Taken by new ball. Ever Laguna back still. La Sola. Patabal. Basket count. To La Sola. La Sola. Touch it up. 2 points. 2 points. Low in my guys. Laguna. Number 14, Caldino with a chicken wing. 2 points. Milamino now coast to coast. Back by the ball, pick up his own ball. It's a 2 points. Still no good for Newport. Another possession again. Basket down for Caldino. Number 8. Sabaton and Duzito. Pino, no good. Sabaton, Milamino again. 2 points. Now, let's fly. 3. Loses the ball, another turnover. Sabaton. Moves it 2 points. Sevilla, what's the number 2? 2 points. Number 18, Renaissance to Tagal. 2 points. 2 points. Yes, nothing is presenting now for AWS. Play the second quarter. One goal over 2. 2 points. 3 attempt for AWS. Another leak out for Boca. Grimes puts it up. Still no good. Rebound. Put back. Is good for number 14. 2 points. Pick up by number 7 for the AWS. La Sola now 1-1 with Vienesen. Lays it up. Basket counts. Mike Asama over for AWS. Laguna to Belarmino. To throw number 8 with a recovery. This version Belarmino again. Kita ko 2 points. Laguna. Abar. Signature shot. It's good. 2 points. Guarded well by Laguna. Pass it to Tabar. Another signature shot. Back-to-back points for Tabar. Belarmino. Guarded by Viking. Belarmino escapes for 2 points. La Sola takes it out. Tabar. Another signature shot for Tabar. 2 points. La Sola, Sevilla now with the ball. Sevilla 3 versus 1. Laguna is it 2 points. And with their best defense. La Sola pass it out for 23. 2 points. Caldino, Sevilla asking for it. Laguna from the top of the arc is good. 3. Another 2. In traffic, Gabes with a steal. Pass it to Sabaton. Another 2 points. 2 points. Back-to-back steals for Newport. 2 points. Timeout. With the ball. Pass it to the middle. Caldino alone. 2 points. What a play. Ragais. Give it a last 2 minutes. It's good. 2 points. Ragais is now with the ball. Pass it to Tabar. Easy till. 1 minute 23 seconds remaining. Leon. Retoya to the big guy. Dumalan. Drops it up on Retoya. Good play there by Dumalan. Pass it to La Sola. 35 seconds. 2 points. First win for Team Newport. Congratulations.